Rebound on Nunez. That's Nunez, bad ball. Nunez lays up 2 points.
Overtime game na po tayo guys ng Bagakay at 5 minutes daw.
5 seconds. Lobo. Tag-isang time out sa overtime. Opo. Foul on number 22, Nunez. Third personal foul, Nunez. 2 shots. Pagaleho. Second shot again. 67-68. Nunez in the lane. Block. Rebound De La Cruz. That's about the number 13. Villamor. Stop it. Pop. Again. Rebound on Bohol. That's Bohol. Attacking the defense. Rebound on De La Cruz. That's the ball. Number 16 by the ball.
Buhay ang court.
Number 16 by the pass. Good Bullion. That's number 15 with the ball. That's about to Pacaleo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. There's an elbow jumper short. Rebound on Blanca. That's Blanca now by the ball. Blanca, 6-second move. The good rebound on number 18. That's number 18 by the ball. Cross about to number 15. That's about to Pacalejo. Attempt. Nugget rebound on Nunez. That's Nunez by the ball. Nunez lays up 2 points. 69-68. 1 point lead for team Bagakay Interior. Villamor reverse. Inapos. Nunez baseball pass. 3 minutes 24.
Sayang.
That's number 16. Rebound Nunez. That's Nunez with the ball. Nunez with the ball. Nunez with 3 minutes. Nunez with the layup. Rebound. Villamor for the rebound. That's Villamor with the pass. Lobo underneath. Extra pass. De La Cruz is back. Puts it up and in. 69-70. 1 point lead for Bagakay. That's a steal on Villamor. Pass the ball to number 15, Lobo. That's Lobo with the ball. Villamor. Time out. Umabay. 69-72. Ang ganda ng pakalin lang ng Team Bagakay.
2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time for the extension game between Umabay
Number 26.
Interior and
Nunez.
Bagakay.
Nunez with the ball. Nunez. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nunez.
Arrow.
Orap pa. Foul on number 18. Second team foul pa lang. Second team foul. Bagakay. Two minutes 15. Same foul. 10 on the shot clock. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Garcia with a jumper. 2 points. 71-72. Last 2 minutes. That's a 1 point lead for Bagakay. Yes, number 15, Lobo with the ball. Cross over to Villamor. Makes a pass on De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Can't won't go. Rebound. Taken away by number 18. Pagaleon with a Pinoy step. Floater now. Rebound. Dalaman De La Cruz. At may pito by number 11. Kanya. 1 minute 38. Third foul. Kanya. Penalty.
Penalty pa. Sunod na, pada. Wala. 1 point lang, di ba?
1 minute 38.
Two-point lead by Bagakay against Umabayan Terrier.
1 minute 35. Turnover. 1 minute 32.
Mga nanganganib dito ang Umabayan Terrier.
Magaling with a pass. Masunod ka. Substitution rep. Eman moves out. 1 minute 23. Down to 1 minute 20. Down to 1 minute 15. So yes. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nunez attempt. Rebound. Pagaleho with a kalawit rebound. That's a pass on number 16. 1 minute remaining. Lobo. 55 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Okay. Backing.
Backcourt violation. Timeout. Bagakay.
Yes.
49 seconds. 9 seconds. 49.
49 seconds left for the extension game between Bagakay and Umabayan Terrier. 2-point lead po ang Bagakay.
Langga. 45 seconds. Nunez. Masaka na rebound. Offensive foul for extending the elbow on number 22. Nunez.
Okay.
Warning for ball out. Nunez. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Bagalejo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Villamor.
3.
Cruising on. Rebound. De La Cruz. 20 seconds. Lobo. Inabot. The number 11. Anya. Both teams, wala nakamuntay mo na. 17 seconds. Substitution. Anya moves out. 17 seconds. Warning for fouled out. Kanya.
Remate.
Seventeen seconds. 17. 17. 71, 74.
Mga tres, may extension naman eh.
15 seconds.
Tris!
Blanca to Ganar. Doggy, 10 seconds.
Tris! Pag-asa sila.
5 seconds. Garcia. 2 seconds. Buzzer na kasunod yan.
Pirdi. Bagakay wins against the Umabayan Terrier. Nice game.
And that's the end of the game. The score is 71-74. Won by the team. Barangay Bagakay. Best player of the game, number 16, Pagalejo.